Are you fond of dates? No, I'm not talking about the dates that you love to do with your sweetheart.
Oh, man.
Although if you like those, check out this video here for a really fun date night idea. Now the date I am talking about is this little thing, the fruit called date. This is a deglet nor. There's quite a few varieties of dates, and this one is a deglet nor. You can buy these at Costco in a tub like this. So today we're going to make a dairy-free date shake. No ice cream, and it is so delicious. So let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need: dates, almonds, a banana, some vanilla extract, almond milk, and ice, and of course, a blender. I highly recommend Vitamixes. They're so powerful that they can chop these dates up no time flat. It breaks ice to a nice smooth consistency. They hardly ever get bogged down like a regular blender would. So I highly recommend these, and you can find the link to one of these in the description box below, right down there. Yeah, just go down a little lower. Yeah, right there. Into our blender canister, we're going to put 2 cups of almond milk, unsweetened. We have 2 cups of almond milk in our blender canister. We need 16 dates, 24 almonds, 1 banana. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And lastly, but not least, we need these ice cubes to give it that frozen consistency. We need about 11 regular sized ice cubes. These are not regular size, so I'll probably put most of these in here. Ready to blend. Now you can see there's kind of some big pieces of date still in here, so you want to keep blending until that's nice and pureed. By the way, these were pitted dates. Don't put a seed into your blender.
The date is loaded with 6 different vitamins as well as several minerals that promote bone health. High in potassium and fiber, filled with natural sugars, making it a good pick-me-up snack. And there are actually studies out showing that dates are helpful to those who have heart issues. So many good things packed into these little pieces of fruit.
Enjoy! And if you want to see more beverage videos, check out this link right here.